Welcome back to Apple Insider. Today we're diving deep into the brand new Infinix Note 50 Pro, a smartphone that's been making waves for packing some really impressive features at a price that's still accessible. If you've been looking for a phone that balances design, performance, and innovation without leaving a hole in your wallet, then this device is worth every bit of your attention. Let's break it down point by point and see if the Infinix Note 50 Pro is really as good as it sounds. Number 1. Design and build quality. The Infinix Note 50 Pro comes with a refined design language that feels modern, sleek, and premium, despite the fact that it doesn't cost as much as flagship devices from bigger brands. The chassis is crafted with a high-grade polycarbonate that has been reinforced with metallic accents along the edges, giving it a sturdier feel in hand. What stands out is how Infinix has paid attention to details like the curved edges, the slim profile, and the matte finished back panel that resists fingerprints and smudges. The phone feels both elegant and practical, something you can comfortably carry and use daily without feeling like it's fragile. Even the button placements, SIM tray alignment, and tactile feedback of the volume and power buttons have been thoughtfully executed. This is the kind of design where you feel like you're getting more than what you paid for, and that first impression goes a long way. Number 2. Display. The Infinix Note 50 Pro features a 6.9-inch AMOLED display with a high refresh rate that makes scrolling, gaming, and media consumption feel silky smooth. The colors are rich, vibrant, and accurate, with deep blacks and sharp contrasts that you typically expect only from higher-end devices. The resolution is Full HD+, but thanks to AMOLED technology, it looks sharper than many LCD panels out there. Watching videos, playing games, or even just browsing through social media feels immersive because of the slim bezels and the near edge-to-edge viewing experience. The brightness is strong enough to keep the screen visible outdoors even under direct sunlight, and the addition of HDR support ensures that streaming content from platforms like Netflix or YouTube feels cinematic. This isn't just a phone with a big screen, it's a phone that makes the big screen truly enjoyable. Number 3. Performance. Powering the Infinix Note 50 Pro is a new generation MediaTek Dimensity processor paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. This combination ensures that multitasking, app launches, and gaming are smooth and lag-free. Heavy games like PUBG Mobile or Call of Duty Mobile run at higher settings with stable frame rates, proving that this device isn't just for casual use but can handle intensive workloads too. Beyond gaming, the day-to-day experience is extremely reliable. Switching between apps is seamless, and with the enhanced thermal management system, the phone doesn't overheat even under prolonged gaming sessions or heavy streaming. It feels like Infinix wanted this phone to not just compete in the mid-range space but also punch above its weight class. For people who rely on their smartphones for productivity, editing, or just managing large amounts of data, the Note 50 Pro delivers consistency and speed without breaking a sweat. Number 4. Camera. The Infinix Note 50 Pro is equipped with a quad-camera setup, headlined by a 108-megapixel main sensor that captures crisp, detailed, and vibrant photos. The color reproduction is natural, and with AI optimization, scenes are enhanced to look lively but not overly saturated. Low-light photography is also commendable thanks to night mode and large sensor size, which allow more light to enter the lens. Alongside the main sensor, you get an ultra-wide camera for landscapes, a macro lens for close-up shots, and a depth sensor for portrait photography. The results are versatile, and whether you're shooting a city skyline, a food shot, or a portrait, the Note 50 Pro adapts beautifully. On the video side, you get 4K recording with stabilization, making handheld videos steady and professional looking. The front camera is equally strong, with a 32-megapixel sensor that captures sharp selfies with good dynamic range. For vloggers or people who love social media, this camera system offers both flexibility and quality. Number 5. Battery life. One of the standout features of the Infinix Note 50 Pro is its massive 5500 mAh battery. Infinix has tuned the software to optimize power consumption, so you're easily looking at a phone that lasts a full day and often stretches well into the next day on a single charge, even with heavy usage. Streaming, gaming, and multitasking don't drain the battery as quickly as you'd expect, which shows just how well the system has been balanced. On top of that, the Note 50 Pro supports 120-watt fast charging, which is nothing short of incredible at this price point. You can go from near empty to nearly full in under half an hour, and that changes the way you use the phone. No more overnight charging, no more battery anxiety, you can plug it in for a few minutes and be ready to go for hours. This is an area where Infinix really outshines many competitors, giving users true convenience. Number 6. Software and features. The Infinix Note 50 Pro runs on XOS, based on the latest Android version, and it comes with a host of customization options that let you tailor your device the way you like it. The interface is smooth, with less bloatware compared to older generations, and the overall experience feels polished. There are smart features like multi-window support, floating windows, and an ultra game mode that optimizes performance while minimizing distractions. Infinix has also built in strong security features, with a fast under-display fingerprint scanner and reliable face unlock. Updates and patches have been promised for at least 2 years, which adds peace of mind for buyers. Small details like theme customization, gesture navigation, and improved notification handling show that Infinix has been listening to user feedback and refining the software experience. This makes the Note 50 Pro not only powerful in hardware but also rich in usability. Number 7. Value for money. Perhaps the most impressive aspect of the Infinix Note 50 Pro is just how much it offers for the price. You're getting a near flagship display, powerful performance, a versatile camera system, strong battery life, and polished software, all in a package that undercuts many big-name competitors. It's designed to appeal to users who want the premium smartphone experience but don't want to spend a fortune, and in that regard, it delivers brilliantly. While it may not have the brand prestige of Samsung or Apple, it gives you a real alternative that can compete with them in daily performance, multimedia enjoyment, and even longevity. For students, young professionals, or anyone looking for a capable all-rounder, the Note 50 Pro offers exceptional value without compromise. In conclusion, the Infinix Note 50 Pro is more than just another mid-range smartphone. It's a device that brings premium features to the masses at a price that makes sense. From its elegant design and immersive AMOLED display to its powerful processor, impressive camera system, and long-lasting battery, this phone delivers in every key area. Add to that the fast charging, improved software experience, and unbeatable value for money, and what you have here is one of the most balanced smartphones in its category. If you've been on the fence about whether to trust Infinix with your next purchase, the Note 50 Pro is the phone that should convince you. It's reliable, stylish, and powerful enough to keep up with modern demands. At AppleInsider, we believe this is a true game changer for its segment. So, if you're in the market for a new phone that doesn't just meet expectations but exceeds them, the Infinix Note 50 Pro deserves a serious look.